I thought I'd take you along today as we begin our spring farming season to replace what we have eaten through the winter of our chicken in our freezer. So we are on our way to the hatchery to get some Cornish Cross chicks to raise out for meat birds. Here, Mount Healthy Hatcheries in Cincinnati, Ohio. We just got here. It's about an hour drive from our house. We're gonna go in and get our baby chicks. Well, we just got our chicks. Just picked them up in the box. Now it's time to put them in the car and get them home. So we're not gonna open the box because we want them to kind of settle down. So I'm gonna put them here on the floor in the back seat. All right, so we got them in the car. They're in the floorboard. I don't know if you can see them right there. Now for drive back home. As you can see, Sean's already got the brooder set up here on the front porch. We got the baby chicks. Let's get this set up. Water helps with their digestion, overall health. First things first is we need to go ahead and put our heat lamp and get that on so that they have a nice cozy warm place. Let's see. We will put it right in the job. And we have a heater. I'll move it down because they are just little babies. Let me make sure that we got them a nice warm place. Nice warm place to bed down. Let me bring you in for a closer look. There we go. You can see I got the heat lamp. It's probably maybe 6 inches from the bottom. We'll start there. So what we have so far is basically a box of scrap wood that my husband put together to make this brooder. So it is solid on 3 sides. It has oak pegboard on the back, so that is the side that the air will come through. And then it's a screen door that we put some chicken wire and hardware wire on that we utilized for a coop, one of the first coops that we had, and basically put it together with scrap stuff that we have around the house. Now, it doesn't have a bottom, so on the bottom is cardboard boxes, doubled up quite thick. And then we have pine shavings on top of that and a nice deep layer. And then that will keep them warm and dry as far as the bottom. 3 sides will keep them draft free. And then once I get them in here, I'll actually cover almost all of the top of this door here to allow the heat to stay in as well. So right now I'm getting ready to fill up their feeder with some 20% protein flock maker crumble, non-GMO, no antibiotics, nothing like that. But we do, for the first really about a week, free feed them as much as they want. So I'll come out here a couple times a day and just make sure that's full, because they will eat. So I always close it and then fill up the top part so that it's out, and then a little falls on the ground, and that's okay. And then there's their feed, and then their water. We are going to set down here. Once they get a little bigger, I'll hang this up, but for now, while they're little, we'll just set it down here on the bottom. Let's see, let's turn this way. And I don't want to put the water too far away from their food or their heat right now, just because they are so little. And then that'll come up this way and close with the door. And then that's it. So I'm gonna go in and get the chicks and then bring them out, and we'll take them out one by one, and then make sure that they get food and water, and I'll bring you along. The easiest way to do this is just to get in the brooder with them. So these are Cornish Rock Crosses. So that is the breed, and if you look, they're just those cute little yellow chicks that look like Easter. So what I'm doing when I'm taking them out is I'm looking to make sure there's no pasty butt, and I'm dipping their little beak in the water and showing them the food, and then put them at the heat. Counting as I go as well. You should have 25. Oh, they gave us 26. So one extra for good measure. Oh goodness. There we go. Got them all adjusted. Got their water. I'll go ahead and close the lid here. That way I can get the cover on the top. That'll help keep in their heat. So the cover we use is just an old pocket slider that we got out of our last house. just lay that like that. And that'll help trap in some of the heat from the lamp. I'll let you see in there what they're doing. And as you can see, they're just chilling under their heat light. The other part of the cover we use is a piece of the whole roofing. And we hold that down with one of my stones from the porch. I'm going to go ahead and block off these end pieces where the wind's coming in. Because I don't want them to get cold. I want to push the brooder back some. Sorry kittens, don't mean to scare you. Alright, I got you. There we go. Put it a little closer to the house. There we go. They're all snug. They got their food, their water, their heat lamp. I went ahead and put a piece of plywood back there behind that pegboard. Close off some of that ventilation just because it is only about 60 degrees outside today. And I want their brooder to be a nice 75, 85 degrees. At least right there under their lamp. That way they have plenty of cool spots to go to, but they also have a nice warm area as well. We'll come back out and check on them here in a little bit. Well, they're adjusting pretty good. You can see they've all kind of spread out a little bit under that light. And that just lets me know that that light area right there is nice and warm, so they don't all need to be bundled up on top of each other and trampling each other. But they're still comfortable. You can see one of them over there eating. So we'll just come out throughout the day and check on them. And I will keep you posted on their growth as we go along. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if these are videos that you enjoy watching. And until next time, have a great day.